Weaving in and out of traffic. Why are you going so fast?
I have an appointment with my barber.
That's what a Florida deputy heard after pulling over a Corvette going over 100 miles an hour. In Florida, exceeding the limit by 50 or more, or driving over 100, crosses into criminal territory. It's an arrestable offense, not a citation, and carries serious penalties for reckless driving.
Traffic 15 vehicle just pulled over just north of the 284. What's going on? Traffic 15.
FHP is 51 from the 286.
Copy. Why don't you hop out for a second? You don't have any weapons on you, do you?
No.
All right.
30 on the long.
Here, come back here. Not mad if I pat you down real quick? You don't have any weapons or knives or anything, do you?
Foxtrot 212, fast check.
Here, put your knees behind your back for me.
Copy.
I'm just detaining you right now.
25, fast check.
Reason for the stop. You're going 107. Weaving in and out of traffic. Why are you going so fast?
I have an appointment with my barber.
You have an appointment with your barber
In New Smyrna.
in New Smyrna. So,
But, you know, the car's got a code.
so you go 107 miles an hour,
I'm sorry.
weaving in and out of traffic, putting other people's lives at danger.
Sorry.
Now you get to go to jail for the night.
For night?
For the night, yeah. You know, Florida, it's criminal to go over 100 miles an hour.
I did another.
Well, you do now, right? Now your car will be towed. Now you'll be going to jail.
He didn't argue, just accepted the situation.
I did another.
He was taken into custody for dangerous excessive speeding and later released on a $150 bond. A reminder that even a quick trip or a haircut appointment isn't worth the risk.